Did you know a baby kangaroo is the size of a grape when it's born? Meet 26 adorable baby animals and learn their sounds from A to Z. Did you know, baby alligators call out to their mother from inside the egg before they even hatch? Did you know? A newborn bear cub is so tiny it can fit in the palm of your hand, even though mum weighs 200 kilograms. Baby cheetahs have a silver stripe of fur along their back to make them look like a honey badger and scare away predators. A baby dolphin stays with its mother for up to 6 years, longer than almost any other ocean animal, and the mother whistles a special unique tune to her calf, so it always knows her voice. A baby elephant can stand up and walk within just 1 hour of being born. Baby foxes are born completely blind and deaf. They rely entirely on their mum for the first 2 weeks. A baby gorilla is twice as smart as a human baby. It learns to crawl and climb in just a few months. Baby hippos are born underwater and must swim to the surface to take their very first breath. Baby iguanas hatch fully independent. The moment they break out of their egg, they are completely on their own. Baby jaguars are born with their eyes sealed shut and stay hidden in a den for the first 6 weeks of their life. A newborn joey is the size of a grape and crawls all the way into its mother's pouch completely on its own. Baby lions are born with spots on their fur that slowly disappear as they grow into adults. Baby monkeys cling to their mother's belly non-stop for the first few weeks. They never let go. A baby narwhal is born without its famous tusk. The spiral horn only starts growing when it gets older. Baby otters cannot swim when they are born. Their mum teaches them, and until then she carries them on her tummy. A baby penguin sits on its father's feet to stay warm in the freezing Antarctic cold. Baby quails can run and follow their mother within just hours of hatching from their egg. Baby rabbits are born with no fur, no sight, and no hearing, but grow incredibly fast and are fully independent in just 4 weeks. A mother seal can find her baby among thousands of other pups on a crowded beach just by its unique smell. Baby tigers learn to hunt by playing with their brothers and sisters. Every pounce and chase is practice. Baby Urials can jump and run on rocky mountain cliffs within just days of being born. Baby vultures are fed by their parents for up to 8 months, one of the longest childhoods of any bird.
Very cool.
Baby wolves are born deaf and blind, but the whole wolf pack helps look after them, not just the parents. Baby Xerus squirrels live underground in big family burrows and are never left alone. There is always a babysitter. A baby yak can survive in temperatures as low as -40 degrees, one of the toughest babies on the planet. A baby zebra can stand within 15 minutes of birth and run with the herd within an hour to escape predators. And that's all 26 baby animals, from A all the way to Z. Every single one of them. Small, new and ready to discover the world, just like you. To meet more amazing animals, subscribe to Tiny Shirin. See you next time. Bye for now.